Yeah, we are in the truck, about to head to... Crystal forget something? She forgot a water bottle. Alright, so we're in the truck, about to head to Academy to see if I can get some shoes. Then we're gonna head up, meet up with Chris to have a little pre-brick lunch, and then we're gonna go pick up labels. Then we're gonna go package and make and produce and rock out some bricks. So that's the plan for today. It's gonna be a long night. We've spent this morning getting clients taken care of. Yeah, buddy. Academy. What we getting, babe?
We're getting Robert some shoes.
How come?
Because he only wore his flip-flops. And
Uh-oh.
yeah. And in the kitchen, you have to wear closed-toed shoes. And in the gym, you have to wear closed-toed shoes. So
Here we go.
here we go.
Alright, y'all, that's what I'm leaning towards. I'm looking to get into trail running, so this might be a good thing.
Okay, there we go.
What are we doing?
We're out to lunch with friends.
We're at the Faded Rose, the Creole restaurant. We're gonna get a burger without a bun prior to us making bricks.
I'm gonna get mine with cheese and mushrooms and bacon.
And we're both super tired right now. We got 12 hours of work ahead of us, so it's gonna be interesting tonight.
Yeah, interesting.
Hopefully this burger will fuel us.
I took a pre-workout and I'm not even working out.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, we are here at the kitchen making bricks. Making bricks. Alright, y'all, another production run in the books. We got Leah, Lane, they're brother and sister, by the way. Look at the love making keto bricks together. We got Chris, we got Crystal, and we got yours truly, Robert O. Huge shout out to the one that recommended we use pancake dispensers. These are the bomb diggity. We need to find bigger ones.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's the verdict? Plus?
I like them.
You like
Thumbs
them?
up. Thumbs up.
Alright, I'm taking a little break to eat some of my Parmesan cheese that I picked up the other day. Let me show you what I got going on. Hold on, come over here. Bricks on bricks on bricks. Bricks on bricks on bricks.
Bricks on bricks on bricks.
Bricks on bricks on bricks. Alright, y'all. Every once in a while when you're making bricks, you have to test the quality of your product. How is it? Pretty good?
So good. It doesn't get any better than the brick.
On focus. Alright, focus. So good though. So freaking good.
So good.
How many bricks we make, babe?
I don't know. How many did we make?
750. We even recruited a new helper. All right. We're scaling up, y'all. We're scaling up. What's going on, y'all? Real quick little updates. It's like, I don't know what time it is. It's late. It's early morning the next day. We're wrapping up our keto brick production. Quick little note here. Some of our ingredients got rerouted and we're a little delayed there, so we didn't have enough ingredients to make a double batch, so we just made a single batch or so. So we're gonna have about 750 bricks to launch with this next brick drop, which will probably happen on Saturday. I don't want to launch them on Mother's Day, which is Sunday, so I'll probably drop these on Saturday. That's a quick little tip there. I don't know what time. Again, this is a smaller batch than last time, and last batch sold out in 10 minutes. So, quite frankly, there's gonna be a lot of y'all that aren't gonna get a brick this time. I apologize for that, I really do. However, some more exciting news. I'm looking to lease part of this commercial kitchen space so that it's just mine. I don't have to share it. So like, I'm gonna be able to move in some of my equipment. I'm gonna invest in another freezer or a blast freezer to help expedite the cooling of the bricks so that we can package them sooner. I'm gonna be able to move our shipping production here as well, as opposed to doing that and having to transport the bricks between, you know, my house and here and then back to my house to ship. We can just do it all here. So I'm excited about that. And I'm working on, like I said in the previous video, a partnership with contacts I have in New York to be able to produce these at a larger scale as well. So rest assured, I'm doing everything I can to make these a success for y'all and have plenty of bricks so everybody can get one. As I've said in the other videos, you know, it's getting hot, summertime, so, you know, if you get a melted brick, everything's still fine on it, the ingredients are still fine, it just won't be as pretty, so I apologize for that. And then I also apologize that, I feel like I apologize for all kinds of things today. I apologize that we don't have more bricks with this run. And I almost thought about just like making this batch, making another batch, maybe making a third batch before we release them again, so that we had like a pretty good stockpile built up. But I don't want to keep y'all waiting. I don't think y'all want me to keep you waiting. So we're gonna be doing some traveling for some conferences coming up, but we're gonna, like I said in that previous video, we're gonna like make a batch of bricks in between each conference. So we'll keep a steady supply coming to you. So I'm about to edit this vlog, finish up these brick productions, and catch you on the flip side. So take care, thanks for everything, and we'll see you soon.